friends, let me introduce you to the face reading software which is being developed in Visual Basic. So I'm just going to the bottom, the Visual Basic icon, and you can see Microsoft Visual Basic is loaded. I go to the recent tab and you can see there is Herbal project, and and below that you can see there is the face reading. So I'm going to introduce you to the face reading software, and I'm opening the particular software. So you can see a lot of forms has been loaded. I just maximize, and now I'm going to run the software from here. You can see computerized face reading, copyrights Matthew PC, programmer Chilu Computers, East of Iron Bridge, Kollam, Kerala. So you can see the logo also there, and at the top leftmost on the file menu you can click and go to face reading. And also, like if you are running a shop or something and you want to use this software, you can go for the count, record or collection, how much you earn daily. You can delete a particular record which is being stored of a particular person. You can edit a person's record or display a record and exit from the software as well. So go to the face reading. So you can see just give OK, and you can see the username Matthew, and give the password. Type in the password. So given the password, you can see it appears as star marks. So you click on the OK, and you can see the next form. In Malayalam it says Computer Mugalashanam, means computerized face reading. Let me tell you, this is not a totally computerized face reading, but I am also needing help from others or suggestions from others who can make it totally computerized using a webcam also. So what right now it does is just I have to give in 20 inputs into this software. So and based on the software inputs, the computer will give you an output. So what I right now I'm doing is I'm typing my name MAT, okay, and then it asks for the address. So I just type in just XX and XX, and then put in some age. I am just putting in the age details, and then just going to, we can say select male or female from there, and then go to the next. And so what it says is E Pravajanam around 80% very ശരിയാണ്. So this prediction is almost 80% true. Is based on the godly gifted divine wisdom. So the details of the software is being given. So I just give next, and it comes to the thing, the innocent, the person is innocent or not, studying or working, simplicity, superiority, does the person has superiority, inferiority complex, and so and so. So it asks for 20 such inputs. So I just give next. So the different questions are asked based on that, and I give the next. So finally it comes to task, okay, to screen or to printer. So if you have the printer connector, you can print the details on to the printer, or if there is other factors which has been of the person or any particular identity of the person which is not been covered in the 29 questions. So that can be typed in here, and just what I am giving here is to the screen, and it displays in Malayalam. So before this software had been done in Quick Basic in English, and many of the my customers ask me, okay, why don't you make, since you are in Kerala, why don't you make it in Malayalam? So it will be more easier for us. So based on their advice, I have developed this in Malayalam. So all the based on the questions, it has been translated to Malayalam, and finally I can go in and view the thing or take a print on paper. Okay, so this is what the development of the software is. So those any companies like who is more interested to develop this software for further stage, and totally make it computerized based on the face reading. The automatic face reading using webcam. They can also contact me. Okay, so finally it comes to the, I'm giving next, and it comes to the last page, and again so it comes out to next face read. I can say go to the next face read, or I can say cancel. Okay, so I can right now I'm giving cancel, so it asks save data. Okay, I can give yes for to save the data which has been entered, or I can prefer no. And finally I have to close, then I give the close button, I click. So again from the file menu I can go to the exit and come out of the software. So this is basically the Visual Basic software on face reading. So based on this, the prediction of the present, past and the future. This is an approximation based on the, because we know the face is the mirror of the mind. So based on the face of a person, these and the inputs of the which on the software, an output is given, which is almost 80% correct. So this is the thing I want to, if any people want to develop it to a further stage, and also contact me, or your suggestions are also welcome. So please subscribe the video and like it and share with your friends. Okay, so this has been developed in Visual Basic. Thank you.